Hey, it's me, Marie. In this video, we're gonna blend the sounds, then we practice reading some simple words and sentences, and finally, it will be your turn to read. Please subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Thank you. On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Bad. B A D Bad. Monster. M A N S T E R Monster. Debbie is a bad monster. Debbie is a bad monster. Lamp. L A M P Lamp. Desk. D E S K Desk. The lamp is on the desk. The lamp is on the desk. Upset. A P S E T Upset. Dentist. D E N T E S T Dentist. This dentist is not upset. This dentist is not upset. Bug. B A G Bug. Web. W E B Web. A bug is in the web. A bug is in the web. Doll. D A L Doll. Cabinet. K A B E N E T Cabinet. A doll is in the cabinet. A doll is in the cabinet. Now, it's your turn to read all the sentences one more time. Are you ready? Here we go. Debbie is a bad monster. The lamp is on the desk. This dentist is not upset. A bug is in the web. A doll is in the cabinet. Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.